208. Balance sheet of 2 years of Sham Limited are as follows. Ascertain the balancing figures. Be careful that in this question the figures are already in the order 31,316, 31,317. Okay. Now, as I told you in the previous profit and loss statement, how would you find the respective column 3 and 4 figures? What formula did I give you? Sales into percentage. Same way here it will be total into percentage. So in these two columns, write total into fifth columns percentage, and here total into sixth columns percentage. If at all it is missing. Okay, here first of all what is missing is column 3. So that we will do it as like 34 lakhs is the total of column 3. Yes. Do 34 lakhs into 40%. 13 lakhs 60,000, 34 lakhs into 40%. Then 34 lakhs into 20%, 6 lakh 80,000. Then 34 lakhs into 15%, 5 lakh 10,000. 34 lakhs into 20%, 6 lakh 80,000. Then 34 lakhs into 3%, 1 lakh 2,000. And 34 lakhs into 2%, 68,000. Did everyone understand this? Same way now here 31,317 figures are missing. So again total into 6th column percentage. Means 50 lakhs into 35%. 17 lakh 50,000. Is everyone able to understand this? Yes. Then 50 lakhs into 30%. 15 lakhs. 50 lakhs into 22%. 11 lakhs. 50 lakhs into 3%. 1 lakh 50,000. 50 lakhs into 8%. 4 lakhs. And 50 lakhs into 2%. 1 lakh. All are clear with this? Now this sixth column as normal, 4 upon total into 100. So do it 20 lakhs, divide 2 times 50 lakhs and percentage 40. Then directly 10 lakhs and percentage 20. 8 lakhs and percentage 16. 10 lakhs and percentage 20. 1 lakh and percentage 2. And again 1 lakh and percentage 2. And here again column 5 is missing. So do it 10 lakh 20,000, divide 2 times 34 lakhs and percentage 30, 6 lakh 80,000 and percentage 8 lakh 50,000 and percentage 3 lakh 40,000 and percentage 10, 2 lakh 38,000 and percentage 7, and 2 lakh 72,000 and percentage 8. Did everyone understand this? So this is how balancing figures are to be obtained. Okay. So the chapter is over. All the balancing illustrations, remaining illustrations after 12 will be your homework for tomorrow. Okay, they are on common size statements. Now switch it off. Give the idea.